Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Aisha Rashid Khan from Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Today we are going to complete our chapter number 15, the Talent Strategy Management. Learning objectives. After studying this topic, students will be able to define what a talent management strategy is and explain its importance, identify and describe the key components of a talent management strategy. Understand how organizations develop and retain talented employees. Recognize the qualities and leadership roles required for implementing an effective strategy. Apply real life examples to understand how organizations use talent management strategically. Number 1 point, understanding talent management strategy. Actually, a talent management strategy is a comprehensive plan that integrates all processes related to recruiting, developing, and retaining talented individuals. It ensures that the organization has the right people with the right skills in the right roles at the right time. This strategy combines several HR policies and practices into one aligned system known as bundling to maximize employee performance and organizational success. For example, Google's talent management strategy focus on recruiting creative thinkers, providing continuous learning opportunities, and maintaining a culture of innovation and flexibility. This integrated approach helps Google retain top talent and sustain innovation. Number 2, components of a talent management strategy. Let's break down the main components and explain them with examples. Number 1, define who the program covers. Organization must decide which employees will be part of the talent management system. Some companies include only high potential employees, while others cover everyone. For example, Unilever uses a leadership pipeline approach, focusing on employees with high potential for future leadership roles. Number 2, what is meant by actually talent? Each organization must clearly define what talent means, whether it refers to technical expertise, leadership potential, creativity, or performance excellence. For example, in a software company, talent may mean strong coding and innovation skills. In a hospital, it could mean clinical expertise and patient empathy. Number 3, identify future talent requirements. The organization should forecast future skills, needs based on business goals and industry trends. This helps in preparing employees for upcoming roles and avoiding skills shortage. For example, a textile manufacturer planning to adopt AI-based machinery must start training current employees in data analytics and digital operations today. Next, develop as an employer of choice. Organizations should aim to be seen as a great place to work where employees feel valued, respected, and motivated. This attracts talented people from the market and reduces turnover. For example, Microsoft promotes work-life balance, diversity, and personal growth, helping it maintain a strong employer brand, effective recruiter and selection. Talent management starts with hiring the right people. Recruitment systems must identify individuals who are competent, motivated, and culturally aligned. For example, Apple's recruitment process focuses on hiring employees who share the company's passion for design and innovation. ensuring the long-term cultural fit. Next is job design and role development. Jobs should be challenging, interesting, and provide autonomy. When employees find meaning in their work, they perform better and remain more committed. For example, at 3M, engineers are allowed to spend 150 of their time on self-chosen projects, encouraging creativity and skill development. Next is career development and growth opportunities. Employees should be given clear career paths and success to training, mentoring, and learning programs. For example, IBM offers online learning portals and mentoring programs to help employees continually upgrade their skills and move into new roles. Next is positive working environment. The organization should create a workplace where people enjoy working, feel respected, and can collaborate effectively. For example, Infos provides an employee-friendly campus with flexible hours, recreational spaces, and learning centers to keep employees engaged. Work-life balance. Employees perform best when they have a healthy balance between professional and personal life. For example, Coca-Cola promotes flexible schedules and remote work operations and options to reduce stress and maintain productivity. Next is develop a positive psychological contract. A psychological contract refers to the unwritten expectations between employer and employee, such as fairness, respect, and growth opportunities. When these are fulfilled, employees show stronger commitment. For example, when a company promises career growth and actually provides it, employees reciprocate with loyalty and extra effort. Next is leadership development. Line managers play a key role in developing others. Leadership programs ensure that managers can coach, mentor, and inspire their teams effectively. For example, GE's Leadership Development Center trained managers to motivate and guide employees toward achieving business goals. Includes recognition and reward. Recognizing and rewarding high performance motivates employees and strengthens the talent culture. For example, Salesforce uses recognition platforms where employees can publicly appreciate their peers, boosting morale and teamwork. Next is talent audits. Regular audits help identify who has high potential, who needs development, and who may leave. This helps HR plan succession and retention action early. For example, a bank may conduct annual talent reviews to track promising employees and prepare them for leadership roles. Next is succession planning. Actually, succession planning ensures that key positions can be filled quickly by well-prepared internal candidates. It prevents leadership gaps and ensures continuity. For example, Nestle maintains detailed succession plans for senior roles and develops potential successors through international assignments. Next is the qualities required for implementation. According to Younger et al. In 2007, an effective talent management strategy required strong leadership commitment from top management, believe in growth from within the organization. Alignment with business strategy, clarity about key competencies and values, clear career paths for employees, serious focus on training, coaching, and mentoring, culture that encourages high performance and accountability. For example, in practice case example, I will explain about Google's talent strategy. Recruitment, it hires in innovative thinkers through rigorous assessments. In case of development, provide continuous learning, opportunities, and open collaboration. Next is the retention, encourages creativity, flexibility, and recognition. This holistic approach makes Google one of the world's most attractive employers, a prime example of effective talent management strategy. And let's wind up with a summary. A talent management strategy integrates recruitment, development, and retention processes to build a workforce capable of driving future success. It not only focuses on filling positions but also on developing people, creating opportunities, and fostering a culture of excellence. Thank you so much.